Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best filament for miniatures that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the OVERTURE PLA filament for miniatures. OVERTURE PLA filament is designed and manufactured with a patent-pending clog-free filament that guarantees smooth and consistent printing. Before packaging, the filaments are fully dried for 24 hours and vacuum-packed in a transparent bag with desiccants. Full mechanical winding and strict manual inspection ensures neatness and less tangling of the filament, which avoids possible snags and thread breaks. In addition, the increased inner diameter of the spool ensures smooth feeding. An advanced CCD diameter measurement and self-adaptive control system during the production process ensures that these PLA filaments have a diameter of 1.75 mm with an accuracy of plus or minus 0.03 mm and a spool weight of 1 kg, 2.2 pounds. With more than 9 years of 3D filament R&D experience and thousands of tons of production each month, OVERTURE is able to produce all kinds of filaments on a large scale with premium quality, making them cost-effective and reliable for most common 3D printers such as MK3, Ender 3, Monoprice Flashforge and many others. Moving on at number 4, we have the HATCHBOX Black PLA 3D printer filament. HATCHBOX Black PLA filament for 3D printers is a premium quality 3D printing material designed to unleash creativity and maximize the capabilities of 3D printers. With improved strength and fluidity, HATCHBOX PLA offers a wide range of temperatures and speeds for optimal performance. Its high quality assures users of minimal warping, little or no odor, low moisture absorption, and consistent results without clogging, bubbling, or tangling. With its easy-to-use settings and no heating required, HATCHBOX PLA is the perfect filament for both beginners and experienced 3D printers. Enjoy a smooth printing experience with HATCHBOX PLA filament, a premium filament that allows you to create complex objects quickly and easily. At number 3, we have the OVERTURE PLA Plus Filament Professional. OVERTURE PLA Plus Filament Professional is an advanced PLA filament that delivers superior mechanical properties and excellent print results. This high-quality 3D filament has been developed to provide a higher level of stiffness similar to regular PLA, while having an incredible 5x increase in tensile strength, 13.4 plus or minus 1.2 kJ per meter 2. It also has optimized print quality, low shrinkage and excellent layer adhesion for printing functional parts with greater strength and reliability. Developed with the Clog-Free patent, which guarantees smooth, jam-free 3D printing, OVERTURE PLA Plus Filament Professional is thoroughly dried for 24 hours before being sealed in a transparent bag with desiccants to prevent bubbles. The filament is precisely wound and manually checked for tangles to avoid snaps or breaks in the filament. An advanced CCD diameter measuring system with self-adaptive control technology is used in the production process to ensure the accuracy of the diameter specification, 1.75 mm, and dimensional tolerance, plus or minus 0.03 mm. At number 2, we have the BBLIFE Silk Shiny Multicolor Filament for miniatures. BBLIFE Silk Shiny Multicolor Filament is the perfect choice for your 3D printing projects. It has beautiful silk rainbow colors with a shiny glossy surface that will give your finished 3D printed products a stunning look. Compatible with any FDM 3D printer, this filament provides precise and consistent diameter tolerance for accurate results every time. In addition, it has a print-friendly design that ensures bubble and jam-free printing. Packaged in a sealed vacuum bag, this filament is protected from moisture and will maintain its high performance for a long time. Each spool comes with an additional sample bag. And finally at number 1, we have the Polymaker PETG 3D printer filament for miniatures. Polymaker PETG, polyethylene terephthalate glycol modified filament is designed for your special inventions and rugged gadgets. It has excellent heat resistance up to 80 C, does not deform, stuck or clump, and has excellent adhesion to the substrate. This PETG filament comes in updated version 3.0 packaging with a completely redesigned cardboard spool and box and can be used on most FDM 3D printers, including MakerBot, RepRap, Affinia and Ultimaker. Recommended settings are 235 C nozzle temperature, 70 C build temperature and 60 mm per second print speed. The filament also demonstrates very consistent color and dimensional accuracy. It is packaged in a vacuum-sealed zipper bag with a desiccant to prevent tangling. Polymaker PETG filament is available in more than 12 different colors and effects to suit your daily work. Thanks you for watching guys, I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.